Okay, so we're gonna go downstairs. So there's covered parking. Land's really steep. Now this is a downstairs laundry, and the gentleman told me that the lady in that cabin is a permanent tenant at $900 a month, and she comes over here to do laundry. So it's just one little tiny room right here, with a sink and a toilet and a laundry machine. And then this door is the garage. Oh my goodness gracious, it's kind of scary. So it's just, I'm gonna call it a single car garage, and I don't think those would stay. I don't know, they're kind of scary. So that's all your water treatment. There's lights. There's your water heater over there in that corner. And your electrical box. And there's no way into the house upstairs from downstairs.